Payroll year-end is just around the corner. Run your year-end in Sage Payroll easily in a few simple steps. The last day of the tax year is the 5th of April. Prepare for year-end by checking all current tax year leavers have received their final pay and P45. Complete your final pay run of the tax year and submit this to HMRC. You must send your final submission of the year on or before the 19th of April. Automate your processes and save time by publishing P60s online with Sage HR Essentials. Employees can securely view and download their P60s and pay slips on any device. To set up online P60s and pay slips, go to Settings and Sage HR. And remember, all active employees must receive their P60 by the 31st of May. Start processing in the new tax year with confidence, as Sage Payroll updates automatically. Visit our Year-End Hub for more videos and guidance.